Hey girls, so it's me with a first DIY for you girls and guys who hate their pencil case or color pencil designs. But I really like Barbie, but it's really covered with dirt. And this one is so super ugly. And I'm gonna use this for the next school year. So it's brand new, but I'm just gonna tape feedy it because it's really that. I'm gonna use this one from my review and I got from Ramael. So yeah. So I'm using this today. This flower or floral, I think. So I'm gonna put it all over it and some border here. So it's got a little bit dirt. And I'll teach you how to remove uh the mold. I don't know what's that called. Cold mold. Mold in a moldy. Yeah. It's so hard, damn it. Oh, it should save, that's why. Sorry. I'm just gonna be right back. So I'm back and I just need to remove it. Wow. Then I'm just gonna tape feedy or put my colored paper in. So yeah, but first I'm gonna do this regular one. Oops, oh my gosh. Then I'm just gonna, put some tape in. First I measure. Then I just stick. So I don't know if you can see that, but it's really coming great. And I think you girls and guys, or I don't know if guys will subscribe this. And please watch my previous videos. And I have a playlist for my rainbow loom stuff. Oh yeah, now we're gonna do the outside of our pencil thing. So it's neat and nice. So I kind of will rub off with my nails and my fingers. And do the other side. And I'm gonna first lay out and strip off. Then the other side. So sorry for the bad lighting, by the way. So I'm just gonna go back, then so our outline border is pretty much done. Now we're gonna do the inside. So I'm gonna teach you some techniques, then I'll just pause this video, then I'll just continue. So yeah. My tip for you girls, please measure before uh, removing it. So I'm doing like this. I don't know if you can see that very well. So it's coming great. So just back again. Then later I'm going to teach you how to put some decorative tape there. So I'll be right back. So I'm pretty much done with my inside, so it's really cool. Now we're going to do this sides and some of the areas that is not pretty much clean. So yeah. So I just like to measure. Always measure before putting it. So I'm gonna review this one. So then feel free to have a flat surface then, and some sides are then you're done with your cover. Then I'm gonna teach you to clean this edges. More lines. Then you're done. Now we're gonna do inside, but I'm gonna leave that aside and I'm gonna just do the sides and this tape feedy is really smooth, so yeah, it's really cool. And I'm gonna buy more because my fan mail, the title I got mail, and she told me where could I buy some more tape feedies, more designs, and she told in my school. What? Now she said she's going to school in my school, so that's pretty cool. So I hope seeing you, Camille. Okay, I'm saying Camille. Yan. So I'm done. Then I'm just gonna smooth the edges out. So then you're done tape feeding your pencil or color pencils. Now we're gonna do tape feeding this ugly ones. So I'm just gonna change the design because almost ran out. So I'll be right. So I changed this design and I love color blocking, by the way. And I'm gonna just remove this one. So because my grandma has a prize, then she gave it to me because I'm using this one for the next school year. So yeah, again, measure out the sides first, then, or you could do your inside first, then just measure it out. Leave a little more for, because you're gonna clean out the edges later on. So sorry for the metal noise because it's really metal and dangerous. It's like a tiles. I didn't really know that. Oops, I dropped it. So I'm gonna place this first. See out first before you put on, and it's kind of a little bit builds pattern. So I love these. So yeah, I'm gonna continue. So I'm done and can a little bit see a color blocking style. Now we're gonna do the side so we can have a clean edge. And I'm not gonna do the outside and this no more because you're not gonna see that. So measure, then oh my gosh, our neighbor is so crazy right now. So have that, then fold. Now we're gonna do the sides. Measure. I kind of like to measure things because it's like a long distance relationship, but no. And if you're asking, tomorrow is our last school day, so sad because I'm gonna miss all of my classmates and friends, BFFs, and my crush, of course. Little space gap here. So for you girls who has Monster High ones, so that would be great. And I'm gonna clean my edges out again. Some only cause some only have the raw edges. Then you're done with your brand new personalized Tape BD DIY pencil case. So yeah, go check out my channel and like, subscribe, and comment what DIY should I do next. So yeah, I kind of like doing this one because only a few tape using this, but this one is so many, by the way. It's like Briars. Look at it. But I never had Briars, Kim. So I'm gonna have a review if I got Briar for my summer gift. So yeah.